All right, get to walk you through today this 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is the Sundeck. This is the largest of the Sundecks, 29 feet. Got the nice Sea Ray blue color on the side. Got the nice big swim platform with the drop down swim platform there. Nice big seats in the back. Let's go to the interior and take a look. All right, welcome aboard this Sea Ray 290 SDX. We've got the nice sun pads back here and a nice place to hang out. The 290 is an excellent boat if you got a lot of people that want to come aboard that day. All sorts of seating there. Nice entertainment area with a sink. Underneath that seat right there is a built-in cooler with a way to adjust the temperature. Seating, storage, place for another cooler there. Got the nice backrests here that move forward and aft. Nice helm. This has got the Mercury 6.2 350 with the digital throttle. We got the big Simrad touchscreen system there. Fusion stereo. We got the head. And then a nice big bow in the Sundeck series. And then this one was also optioned with the windlass anchor and a bow filler cushion. 290 here at our Rogers location. This is the brand new 2026. Come out and take a look.